You know why I pulled you over?
Depends on how long you were following me.
Jesus. Cockhead.
What are you talking about? Eve kept her eyes on limits. You don't say the same about his father.
Fucking idiots.
Sir, you are dumb, Private Papa. Do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?
Sir, no, sir!
Then you did that on purpose.
Restrictions would ease further on Monday. Premier Dominic Perrottet says he'll have more to say on Friday.
We want to open up as quickly and
exit only, dickhead.
We have that meeting tomorrow. We'll have those discussions, and we look forward to seeing you all on Friday.
Push in, you fuckstick. Indicator doesn't give fucking right away, you wanker.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
What the fuck? What a... They're so... Mate?
That was no entry. Damn.
I did.
No, ticket. Fuck, an idiot.
Oh, God, here we go.
Stupid bitch.
This guy in the middle of two lanes.
I thought that too. I thought it was me. I'd hate to finish at 8 o'clock in the morning, but I feel like once the sun comes up, it makes me feel like I'm like at the end of a big night out in town, like that hungover kind of feeling.
This guy's fucked in that car.
Oh shit! Oh my God, Travis!
He's turning from a straight lane too. Look at him. He did a fill. He indicated right to go straight.
He indicated.
Phil does that.
Phil?
Phil told me, and I'm like, what are you doing? He's like, that's what you're meant to do.
No,
I'm like, I didn't even grow up in Australia, Phil. You're not meant to indicate right when you're going straight through a roundabout. You're going straight.
You're only one drug away from liking techno. You're only one glasses a pair from dyslexia. You're only one Cleo mag from anorexia. You're only 5 yards from a fuck wheel. You're only 5 yards from a fuck
What the fuck?
Drop me
off anywhere it should
Oh, magpie just swooped in.
Yes.